Libra, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin what are the energies coming to you ngayong fourth quarter ng 2025. So, that's October, November, December. Ayan. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 50% discount sa mga tarot reading services. I-check nyo na lang yung link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyo magpabook for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. Comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Paalala lang, ang reading na to ay general reading. So, maaari kayo makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Okay, Libra. Let's see. What's up? Fourth quarter 2025. October, November, December. What's the energy? October, November, December. Okay. Bottom of the deck is Judgment. Ooh. This is major change. Reinvention ng iyong sarili. Maaring meron kang realization of the things na kailangan mo nang ayusin, i-improve sa sarili mo. This can be, physical. Aayusin mo na ang iyong diet. Or, mas ka na, exercise. Or parang gusto mong simulan ang Burr months or itong fourth quarter na unti-unti meron kang ini-improve sa sarili mo para pagdating ng 2026, it's a brand new you, ganon. Four of Cups. Oh, some of you, wow, okay. Okay, Libra. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong mga unhealthy habits na ile-let go na. Like, you realize na, okay, tama na. Tama na, sobra na, palitan na. Ganon. Or, let's say, for example, sa inyong kalusugan, no? Alam nyo na meron kayong bisyo or unhealthy habits na nakaka-apekto sa kalusugan ninyo. So, yung iba, maaring yun nga, magkasakit. Tapos, doon nyo palang ma-realize na, seryoso na pala to. Kailangan ko na talagang ayusin yung aking lifestyle. Ayan, with the Devil. And the Death card is about transformation. Ayan, parang kumbaga, pinush ka na sa limit mo. At ngayon, na-realize mo, yung kailangan mong i-improve, ayusin, at i-let go. Kasi it's no longer serving you. Okay? Whatever this is. And you're open to new beginnings. Merong mga bago kang i-explore, gagawin. Alam mo, babalik yung lakas mo. Kung kayo ay nagkaka-problema sa inyong health, kalusugan, that is because of the unhealthy habits na meron kayo. Ang unhealthy habits, pwede yung bisyo, or yung mga sobra na alam nyo hindi nakakabuti sa inyo. Pagpupuyat, ganyan, hindi lang bisyo or yung mga bagay na hindi nyo ginagawa kahit alam nyo makakabuti sa kalusugan nyo yun. Okay, now let's see what else. Overall energy, you have the Four of Wands. So meron celebration dito, may success, meron kang achievement. Pwedeng sa family to, let's say family member, may achievement, asawa mo, parents mo, anak mo, or meron kang personal na goal na na-achieve mo. And some of you, ito ay may kinalaman sa bahay. Pwedeng nakabili kayo ng bahay, nakapagpa-renovate, or may mga in-improve kayo sa bahay nyo. Pwede rin paglipat ng bahay. Now, yung iba sa inyo, kung may pregnancy sa family, kailangan mag-ingat sa pregnancy na yan. Kumbaga, kung ano yung sinasabi ng doktor, yun ang sundin, at mas healthier lifestyle. Okay? And then also, kasi pwedeng ikaw yan or sa family nyo Siguro yun yung celebration kung merong pregnancy sa family. And also, meron din ditong may mga bagay kang gustong gawin, simulan, na na para bang napipigilan ka kasi nagda-doubt ka sa sarili mong kakayanan. Don't doubt yourself. Okay? Kasi marami kang kayang gawin, marami kang kayang baguhin sa buhay mo kung magtitiwala at maniniwala ka lang sa sarili mong kakayanan. Abundance is here for you. Kung open ka rin for abundance of efforts, also action. And then your opportunity is the King of Wands. So meron dito exciting na mga kaganapan ngayong fourth quarter. Pwede may travel opportunities or may mga training, learning, business ventures. 11th house, this is community. So if you are into social media, maaring magva-viral yung mga videos mo, yung channel mo, yung account mo, yung business mo sa social media. So it's also time for you na mag-explore at gamitin rin yung internet, social media to promote your business or to promote yourself. Lalo na kung content creator ka or social media influencer, because this will bring opportunities sa'yo. Now, your blessing is the 7 of Swords. As a blessing, meron kang blessing in disguise. Ito yung revelation of the situation or people na hindi nakakabuti sa sitwasyon mo. Or this can be a betrayal from someone, no? Inisip mo, bakit naging blessing yon? Someone na nagbetray sa'yo. At least alam mo na kung sino yon. And madali mo nang i-let go or i-cut off sa buhay mo. Kasi nga, alam mo na. Kesa yung bang hindi mo alam. 'Di ba? Now, your money, career, finances definitely is going to be successful. Yung business mo, magpapatuloy. Trabaho mo, maaring you will be recognized sa work mo. Ano man yung source of income mo, tuloy-tuloy ang daloy ng pera. And some of you, kung kayo nasa travel, career or field, ayan, mas maraming opportunities for you. And then for your love life, you have the Hierophant. So there is something in your marriage, kung meron ka ng asawa, na maaring kailangan mong ayusin. Maaring meron kailangang pag-usapan. And also may key, no? May susi. So parang may na-unlock na important message or information. Virgo energy, no? So this is about details. Meron ka mga detalye na malalaman tungkol sa person that is close to you. Can be family member, friend, or romantic partner na magbibigay ng clarity sa life mo. And then for the month of October, you have the Queen of Cups. So focusing on yourself, taking care of your needs, and also yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Mas magiging sensitive ka rin sa emotions mo. You will manage your emotions, your needs. More on self-care din to. And creativity. So, maaring meron kang creative talents and skills na you will tap in, you will nourish, nurture, and eventually, maaring dito ka pumaldo, no? Kumita ng pera. Or mas mag-improve ang finances mo dahil dito sa ability mo na to, talent or skill na to. So, November, 10 of Pentacles. Wow. November is a money month for you. So, whatever this is, ano ba yung sources of income mo, whether, iba sasabihin, wala naman akong trabaho eh. O, saan ka nagre-rely? Sino yung inaasahan mo? Asawa mo? Family mo? So, sila yung i-bless para ma-bless ka rin. So, yung blessing mo, dadaan sa kanila. If you have your own business, may work ka, so, I think, mas maraming income na papasok. Pwedeng, lalo na kung meron kang multiple sources of income, multiple streams of income. So, kung nagbabalak ka na magkaroon ng marami pang panagkukunan ng pinagkakakitaan, this is also the best time kasi mas ibibless yan sa'yo, no? mas maganda yung energy niyan, pasok ng pera. And then December, Page of Cups. Page of Cups is about your dreams, your hopes, your dreams. Mas magiging playful ka ngayong December. I think you will have more fun. Pwedeng yung mga travel opportunities mo ngayong December is, going out with your kids, your family, and also being the energy of a child, no? Kumbaga, you are going to bring out the child in you. Yung mga experiences na gusto mong maranasan ng bata ka or mga bagay na gusto mong makuha ng bata ka, ngayon na ibibigay mo na at napaparanas mo na sa sarili mo, especially ngayong December. You have Uranus, so merong major change, unexpected change in what area of life? 8th house o sa income rin to other people's money, business, so maaring iba sa inyo magnenegosyo ng hindi inaasahan, wala sa plano. You also have the South Node, which is the energy ng past, and the 6th house, which is sustainability. So meron kang i-work out na energy ng past na kumbaga bibigyan mo ng closure. Can be relationship or dati mong trabaho, business na nabitin, tapos ngayon bibigyan mo na siya ng closure. And also your health, no? Meron kang major na aayusin talaga sa kalusugan mo. Kasi alam mo na kapag inayos mo yan, mas magiging magaan yung pakiramdam mo. Let's say mas herbal o kaya mas may babaguhin ka sa diet mo, like more on mga gulay, ganyan. Financial pinch. That can be a challenge, no? Yung iba sa inyo, sa finances. Pwedeng mahal sa buhay. Kumbaga ikaw, hindi ka naman directly maapektuhan, pero yung mahal mo sa buhay, so somehow, indirectly, maapektuhan ka. Kasi kailangan mo silang tulungan. Ito yung unsuccessful outcome sa problem. Oh, okay. So, some of you, maaring makaranas kayo na parang nagkaroon na kayo ng frustration sa bagay na gusto nyong matapos, ma-accomplish, pero hindi nyo na solusyonan. Okay? So, may mga ganun Hindi naman natin kailangan pilitin kung wala pang solusyon sa ngayon. But it doesn't mean na hanggang doon na lang, no? So, maaring sa susunod na taon. You're going to love deeply and express your love for someone. So, if you are in a relationship, maaring mas magkakaroon ka ng malalim na connection with your partner. If you're single, possible na ikaw ay papasok sa isang bagong relationship. Yan. Step up and lead. Yung iba sa inyo may leadership role. Take inspired action. Yes. So, yung mga opportunities na darating sa inyo ngayong 4th quarter ay manggagaling sa inspired actions ninyo, yung inspiration ninyo. So, kung ikaw ay mag-step up at lakasan mo yung loob mo, natuparin yung mga goals mo, then definitely, you will gain success. Okay? So, that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.